dsphere. Okay, you're new to dsphere and you just discovered how extensive and private our chat technology is. Because you see, in this day and age with technologies that were made popular, for example, through COVID, people chatting for business and working from home and having family reunions online, these major platforms even recently stated that, hey, we are now going to be storing all of your information on our local servers and sharing it with whomever we'd like or whatever we'd like to do with it without letting you know, unless you read their privacy settings. And we've found that there's been a great need for privacy-based chat solutions, and that is why we built dsphere's chat technology. So we have the video chat here. We also have text chats here, and I'm going to give you a brief overview on how to make it all work. So the dsphere video chat, the Brady Bunch kind of chat wall, is actually part of D teams, the distributed teams or decentralized teams. So you got your dashboard. You're able to plan events for yourself, set actions for yourself or teammates, communications for yourself or teammates, calendars, team members, projects that you're managing, contacts, commerce like billables, that kind of stuff, wiki articles or files, WikiLeaks, that kind of stuff, and so on and so forth. So it goes on and on. But we're talking about D teams in another day. And in behind D teams is, of course, the ability to communicate. In that communication, therefore, now you have the phone communications, your email communications, your text communications, SMS stuff, as well as your text and chat stuff, online stuff. And that's where we are right now. And I can now create a new text chat, or I can create a video chat. The software is constantly growing and improving. It's a massive architecture. You've already seen just the tip of it right now. And we're constantly hiring new programmers as well to help us grow to scale. So if you know anyone who'd like to continue joining, we're expanding our teams every single day. We got the world to take over here. But we're going to create a video chat. So I can click it here or click it over there. The UI might be different and improved and bettered over and over again by the time you actually get into the software. But this is the version that it stands today. I'm going to click on create a video chat. Up will come now a screen that then says, okay, it's going to give it a unique chat ID. And you give it a name, a chat name, which is now the name of what you're actually going to be giving. Could be my personal chat or my doctor's office or what have you. Chat description, just your own. Oh, and whatever you put under this name is what the world will see. So when people join your chat in the future is what individuals are going to see when they go and join. And then you got the description of your chat. You got keywords to help you find it later. We will constantly improve dsphere and create now other ways of searching, but to keep it simple right now, we have keyword stuff. You can set your chats to require a passcode. Therefore, you're not just creating a chat that's open for the world and anyone can just drop in and participate. dsphere will lock it down that you have to type in a certain passcode to gain access, or you can also restrict it to certain users from within your sphere. So you have to have a user account that's logged in under your sphere, and then you're good from there. And there's a whole bunch of other things I'm not going to get into right now that'll help describe things in the future when you're doing more high-level things in the future. And then when I click launch chat, the chat will launch. However, I'm looking at this from my development machine, so it's going to fail because it's going to be looking at a blank screen. And what I need to do is I need to quickly get rid of that blank screen and give you the local thing. But when you're on a proper sphere and not on a development machine, it will open up a new tab just like that. And it's going to ask you to use your microphone and use your cameras, which I'm going to block at the moment. And then from there, it's going to warn me now. It has to use the microphones and cameras to do. But if I allowed it, it'll then get in there. Then you put in your name and you click join meeting, and it's going to go in and join the meeting. And Bob's your uncle, you have your meeting. And then once your meeting is concluded, and then you can have other people, you can share that link over and over and over again. Oh, I don't see it here. There should be a button somewhere. I will make sure it's added that you can actually click on a link as well. And whether you go launch chat and just copy and paste the address bar, or probably just put a little local host or whatever the chat link is, so you can easily copy and paste as well. Okay, and then you have your chat done. Now, as people log in and do things, eventually everyone logs out and the chat will auto-complete. If they don't, you can then complete the chat and close it out, or you can delete this chat altogether if you did it in error. As I go back this time, you're going to see that it has now the video conference that is presently open and waiting for people to join us. And then I can now relaunch it here. I can edit it or I can delete it. Okay. And that is now dchat. And then from there, you just go in and you can now use this chat framework to then chat privately that no one else can snoop, because you are not going to deplatform yourself. This is on your own private service, if you'd like, under your own private server. This whole end-to-end encryption, yay, so what? People can't snip it through the air. But the question is, if A is connecting to B and A is your computer, what is B's computer? Do you own that computer? Is it your computer or is it someone else's? If it is someone else's, then you have a security vulnerability. So welcome to the dsphere family. I'm glad that you joined us. Enjoy your video chats now privately because it is your sphere, your server, your privacy, only for your groups. I'm Damian Spalding. If you'd like to join our team, let me know, and I'm more than happy to have you join our team, depending upon your expertise. And we'll catch you on the flip side. Check out dsphere.cc for more information about us. Thank you.